And I actually have a way of thinking about slop. I think of them as like micro hallucinations. It's not that it's totally wrong. It's like, okay, you need a doc, but here's a Word doc. It's like, well, wait a minute. You're not hallucinating in the fabricating data sense, but you are hallucinating about the way work gets done here. And we don't use Word docs, right? And so it's trying so hard to please that you end up having to just tear down and redo so much work. It's not worth it. And so I've developed a few tricks on how to force it to kind of slowly crawl along with you through the mud and really earn its right to generate that final product instead of rushing ahead and developing it right away, which, we think of that as like the magic of AI, right? Is like, it can just do this thing so quickly. But as a leader, you don't want to microwave your output, right? If that's all you're doing, that's low value. You want to really slow cook these things more often and produce something that is really, to produce something that's really compelling, impactful, resonates with your audience. You've got to slow it down enough to build that story that you're.
Today's episode is brought to you by Jira Product Discovery. If you're like most product managers, you're probably in Jira, tracking tickets and managing the backlog. But what about everything that happens before delivery? Jira Product Discovery helps you move your discovery, prioritization, and even road mapping work out of spreadsheets and into a purpose-built tool designed for product teams. Capture insights, prioritize what matters, and create roadmaps you can easily tailor for any audience. And because it's built to work with Jira, everything stays connected from idea to delivery. Used by product teams at Canva, Deliveroo, and even The Economist. Check out why and try it for free today at Atlassian.com/product-discovery. That's Atlassian.com/product-discovery. Jira Product Discovery. Build the right thing.
I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.